Minimalist Habit Tracker Walkthrough. Most habit trackers feel overwhelming. Too many sections, too much clutter, and eventually, you stop using them. That's exactly why I created this minimal habit tracker in Notion. It's clean, simple, and designed to help you stay consistent without the stress. Every morning, just click Start a New Day. A fresh daily entry is created automatically. No setup, no extra steps. Just open the template and get started. Logging habits is just as easy. Use the quick add buttons for things like workout, journal, meditation, or skincare. With a single click, your habits are logged, and your progress bar updates instantly. There's something surprisingly motivating about watching that bar slowly fill up throughout the day. Need a shortcut? Use the Quick Actions section to instantly complete all habits, or reset everything with one click. To help you stay motivated long-term, there's also a built-in streak tracker. Write alongside spaces for your top 3 tasks, your daily focus, monthly goals, and a simple affirmation for the day. Further down, you'll find a clean weekly goals section, plus a calming vision board designed to keep your bigger goals visible without adding distractions. The goal of this template is simple: to help you build consistency, one small step at a time. If you'd like this exact Notion template, you can grab it through the link in my description. And if you enjoy aesthetic productivity systems like this one, consider subscribing for more Notion templates and creator-friendly setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.